Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sword of the Sea game crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game that you have downloaded. Now, right click on your game, click on properties, then under general, here you need to type -dx11, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if it works for you. If not, solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver option and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and install the latest drivers on your PC. After that, try to play the game and check if it works. The users of Nvidia and AMD, I have provided the link in the description from where you can easily download and update your graphics card, and after that try to play the game and check if this solution helps you. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, then click on manage, then click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. So search for the game application first, and after that right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility and then click on run this program as an administrator, then tap on apply and OK. After that, try to play the game and check if this solution helped you. If not, you need to click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or select Windows 7, then click on apply and OK. If this resolves the issue, then fine. Then otherwise, click on disable full screen optimization and then click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and hopefully this solution will help you. If not, the next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. Here search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse, and from here you need to go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game and simply add your game to the list over here. After adding it, search for your game and after that select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, try to play the game and check if it's working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the installed files and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files of the game. After that, try to play the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates option and it will search if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if this has helped you. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you need to press Windows plus R and then here you need to type msconfig and then click on OK. After that, go to the services tab. Here you need to click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable. After this, click on startup, then open task manager. Now here search for the app, select it and after that click on disable option over here. After that, go back, click on apply and OK and then see if this resolution helped you to fix the issue. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, click over here, go to the task manager, under processes tab you need to search for those apps which is of no use or consuming high resources. Simply select it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will close the app from running on in the background, and after that try to play the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, copy it and paste it on your browser. After it opens, go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files for your PC, and after that install it and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam. Under libraries section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. So this will be enabled by default. Simply click on it and it will be disabled. And after disabling it, try to launch the game and check if this solution has helped you. The same thing to be done for GeForce and Discord overlay. Simply follow the steps to switch off the game overlay, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now check if your game is listed over here. If not, you can simply go to add a desktop app. From here you need to add the game to the list, and after that select the game. Under GPU preference, it will be selected let Windows decide. By default you need to click on high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and from here you need to click on uninstall again. After that your game will be removed. Now restart your PC, and after restarting launch Steam. Now reinstall the game once again, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution helped you. So these are few suggested methods that will surely help to fix the game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen error or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.